Meet the AutoCast P3 CarPlay AI Box, the compact upgrade that unlocks smart, seamless drives. Running Android 12 with a fast Snapdragon platform, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, it turns wired CarPlay into effortless wireless freedom. Stream YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and TikTok. Enjoy Android Auto, split-screen multitasking, HDMI output, GPS and stable connectivity. Sleek, responsive, and built for everyday entertainment on any road with easy app control. Ever seen a car door make jaws drop? These wireless LED door projector lights splash your custom logo onto the ground the instant you open the door. No wires, no drilling, installation takes seconds. Waterproof, durable, and powered by long-life LEDs for crisp projection in any weather. USB rechargeable and motion activated, they shine only when needed. Every entrance becomes a show, every exit a lasting impression. Ever wish you had eyes everywhere? The Escort MAX 360C Mark II does. Scanning for radar and laser threats in all directions with pinpoint 360-degree arrows. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth deliver real-time shared alerts straight to your dash. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep you in control with exceptional range, rapid detection, and seamless integration. It's the ultimate driving edge, keeping you aware, connected, and ahead of the game. Tired of parking dings and scratched mirrors? This universal rear-view mirror folding controller has you covered. The 12-volt module automatically folds your mirrors when you lock the car and unfolds them when unlocking or powering on ACC. Simple to install with no wiring changes, it features built-in overload protection. Sleek, reliable, and ready for daily use, it blends safety, style, and smart convenience into every drive. No roof rack, no hitch, no worries. The SeaSucker Talon Max lets you carry your bike on almost any car, sedan, SUV, hatchback, using 5 ultra-strong vacuum mounts that hold tight at any speed. Heavy-duty fork clamps keep it rock solid, fitting multiple axle sizes for road or mountain bikes. Install in seconds, removes just as fast, and packs small. Finally, bike transport made simple, fast, and secure. Stubborn lug nuts? Not anymore. The Stow Go 4-way lug wrench folds small for easy storage, but delivers the muscle to break loose even the toughest rusted-on bolts. 4 socket sizes fit most vehicles, and the heavy-duty steel build means serious strength. Unfolds in seconds, works fast, and gets you back on the road. No more struggling, just quick, confident tire changes, anywhere, anytime. Say goodbye to blurry, rain-streaked views with Glass Oil Film Remover, a compact powerhouse for crystal clear glass. Its pro-grade formula breaks down stubborn oil, grime and residue fast, restoring perfect transparency. The integrated liquid brush design makes cleaning quick and easy. Safe for paint, eco-friendly, and built to repel fog and rain. It works on windshields, side windows, and even home glass, keeping every surface spotless. Discover the KAWA Tiny Dashcam Mini 3, compact in size yet engineered for serious true power. With 1296p QHD clarity, Super Night Vision, WDR and 3D DNR, it records every drive in stunning detail. Voice control keeps your attention on the road, while Wi-Fi app control and 24-hour parking mode provide instant, effortless round-the-clock monitoring. The tiny yet tough cam redefines discreet, absolute reliable car protection. Open your car door and watch the magic happen. These LED door sill lights add instant style and personality with your own logo or text. 7 brilliant RGB colors, sleek carbon fiber texture and magnetic no drill install make it effortless. IP67 waterproof, scratch resistant and USB rechargeable, auto-sensing tech glows at night, rests by day. Every time you step in or out, your ride shines brighter than ever. Check engine light on? Don't panic, fight back with the Ansell AD310. This OBD II scanner plugs right in, instantly reads trouble codes, shows live data and clears warnings in seconds. No batteries, no guesswork, just fast, accurate results. Supports all major OBD II protocols and works on most cars since 1996. Compact, tough and trusted by pros, it puts the power of a mechanic right in your glove box. Tired of a slippery, worn-out steering wheel? The SEG Direct cover transforms your drive with a secure grip, sleek style and all-season comfort. Made from durable, eco-friendly synthetic leather, it resists cracks, scratches, UV, heat and frost. Easy to install in seconds, fits most wheels and even offers heated options for winter warmth. Practical, protective and stylish. It's the upgrade your hands and steering wheel deserve. Meet the Universal Adjustable 2-Jaws Oil Filter Wrench, a rugged, no-nonsense tool for serious work. Designed for 60 to 80mm filters, it grips tight with durable 2-claw steel jaws, even in cramped spaces. No slipping, no wasted effort, just controlled, powerful turns. Perfect for mechanics and demanding DIY projects, it offers strength, precision and lasting performance. Your ultimate solution for fast, hassle-free filter changes, anywhere, anytime. Say hello to the 70mm dashcam Omni X800, your car's new all-seeing eye. With full 360-degree rotation, it catches everything: front, back, side drama, even your mid-drive snack break. Day or night, parked or cruising, it tracks motion, hears your voice and records in ultra-crisp HD. No more missed that moments. It's slick, smart, ridiculously cool, and honestly, your car just leveled up big time. I need this. Alright, buckle up, this charge is on a whole different level. The Baseus VR2 Max isn't your average plug-and-pray setup. It pumps out 163 watts, charges 4 devices at once, and hides retractable cables like a secret agent. No tangles, no mess, just pure charging chaos control. Twist it, spin it, 450 degrees of flex to reach any seat. Basically, it's the boss of backseat power. Tired of your phone doing backflips every time you hit a bump? Meet the Lyson Magsafe car mount, a magnetic beast that locks your phone in place like it's strapped in for launch. One snap and it's not going anywhere. It rotates, holds tight and looks clean doing it. No wobbles, no drops, just solid dashboard energy. Honestly, it's a must-have flex.